the Pluriverse. How quantum physics reveals reality is created together. The nature of reality has long been debated, but recent advances in quantum physics suggest a radical shift in how we understand existence. Forget the idea of a fixed, predetermined universe governed by objective laws. Instead, what if reality isn't out there waiting to be discovered, but is actively created through our choices, actions, and even our questions? This isn't just philosophy. It's a growing consensus within quantum research, pointing toward a pluriverse where reality is a dynamic, collaborative effort. The illusion of now in conventional physics, particularly Einstein's theory of relativity, treats time as a dimension equal to all others. There is no single, objective now. All moments exist simultaneously from different perspectives. This creates a paradox for human experience. If the present is an illusion, how can our choices influence the future if all events already exist? This perspective effectively removes agency, suggesting our thoughts and desires have no impact on a preordained reality. However, quantum mechanics challenges this view. Experiments like Wheeler's delayed choice experiment demonstrate that our present-day decisions can retroactively affect events, implying that the past isn't fixed but shaped by observation. This isn't about time travel. It's about the fundamental role of the observer in bringing reality into being. Cubism, reality as personal experience. Physicist Christopher Fuchs developed Cubism, quantum Bayesianism, to reconcile these paradoxes. Cubism rejects the idea of an objective, external reality, instead proposing that quantum states represent personal beliefs and probabilities. The Born rule, a core equation in quantum mechanics, isn't about predicting objective outcomes, but about updating individual beliefs based on experience. In Cubism, the act of measurement doesn't reveal reality. It creates it for the observer. This means that there is no real state of a quantum particle until it is observed, and that each observer's reality is shaped by their own unique perspective. This approach dissolves many of the weird aspects of quantum mechanics, like wave function collapse, by framing them as shifts in personal belief rather than objective physical events. The brain as a prediction machine. Neuroscience supports this perspective. The brain doesn't passively receive sensory input. It actively constructs a model of reality based on past experiences and expectations. Predictive coding suggests that perception isn't about seeing things as they are, but about constantly updating predictions based on incoming data. This aligns with Cubism, which posits that reality isn't an external truth, but a collection of individual experiences. The brain's controlled hallucination, as Anil Seth calls it, isn't a flaw but a fundamental feature of existence. If there is no pre-existing landscape beyond perception, then our experiences aren't merely reflections of reality, but constitute it. A living, collaborative universe, this leads to the concept of a pluriverse, a dynamic tapestry of interacting perspectives. The pluriverse isn't a collection of pre-existing objects, but a continuous process of creation driven by choices and actions. Each individual's perspective contributes to this ongoing unfolding, shaping not only their own reality, but the larger collective experience. The implications are profound. If reality is truly collaborative, then our choices matter not just to us, but to the universe itself. The pluriverse isn't a passive backdrop. It's an active participant in our lives, responding to our actions and shaping itself accordingly. Ultimately, the pluriverse suggests that reality isn't something to be discovered, but something to be created together. This shift in perspective may be the most radical change in our understanding of existence yet.